Hey guys, so I just unboxed that. I haven't actually opened up the shoe yet, but yeah, we're doing an unboxing. It's Ray, and I think I messed up the recording, so here you go. I haven't opened it yet. You guys already know what this is by the title of the video, by the size, by the name. Let's get into it. Next paper, and here we have the Skepta Air Max 97s. These were hard to buy. I mean, not really. These were actually kind of easy to buy. I got these easily. Everybody was like, they're gonna brick. Not gonna be worth anything, but yeah. I did already sell these. There are a few pairs for sale up on my Instagram, which is in the bio. You should go check it out. But yeah, these honestly look kind of cool. I like. I mean, I wonder what they look like in the flash or something. It probably looks kind of cool. But it's like kind of a bronze kind of thing right here. You know, less boost, more air. Yeah. I mean, these are pretty interesting shoes with the design. I don't really know what this design is. I don't know what the history is behind this shoe, but I just think it looks cool. This actually is my size, but I would rather money than wearing these, because I don't really have anything that could go with these, but I like them. They're fresh. I can definitely see some fire fits of people wearing these. So that was the right pair, here's the left pair. Nice and clean, dead stock, straight out here. I got these from Bodega on the release day. Size 13. I also have like 4 other pairs. Other sizes. If you want to buy one, you can go check out my Instagram. I don't know if I already said it, but it's going to be in the bio. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. This is of course because I was bored, and I'll have more Supreme videos soon. This has got a lot of stuff, but thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe if you want more, and yeah, that's it. See you.